Hey guys, Mr. Concrete. Today I'm going to be giving you a calisthenics routine for beginners. Some of you guys don't know how to get started with the calisthenics workout. I'm going to be showing you, okay? Some of the basic movements you want to work on at the beginning of your journey is the push-up, pull-up, dip, squat, and plank. You want to master these movements before you move on to party tricks like muscle up and flagpole, right? You don't want to start doing that shit without you mastering these basic movements. So today I'm going to give you a beginner's workout that will lead you up to doing these type of movements, right? Okay, let's go.
All right guys, for the warm-up we have jump rope. You don't have to jump rope 10 minutes continuously, but if you need to take a little break in between, you can. Just make it under 30 seconds. I know you're not going to jump rope as good as me, but that's okay. Look at Kel, he doesn't jump rope as good as me. Look, he got caught by the camera. All right guys, in today's workout we're doing circuit style training. When we say circuit style training, we mean we're going to one exercise to the other. So for example, we're going to squat to pull up to push up type of thing. After each workout you want to get about 30 to 45 seconds of rest. If you need less, that's okay. If you need more, that's okay, but just try to get back to it. In each circuit we have 3 to 4 sets. After each set you want to take around 2-minute rest, or 3 minutes, however long you need. In this workout we're going to have 2 circuits, so in total you should do about 6 to 8 sets in this workout. All right guys, for the first circuit we have body weight squats. You want to make sure you're going all the way down and all the way back up, guys. High reps, at least 20 to 30 reps on these squats. You want to be sweating, we want to be burning the whole time, guys. Guys, for the next exercise, you want to go to barsandconcrete.com and get the resistance bands, 20 or 50 pound, up to you, whichever one you prefer. On the resistance bands, we're going to do lat pull downs. We're going to do, again, at least 20 reps, guys. High reps, getting you ready for those pull-ups. You see I'm playing with my resistance. I got on my knees instead of being on the pole. It wasn't enough resistance on the pole, so I got on my knees, guys. 20 to 30 reps. The next exercise, guys, is push-ups. On the push-ups, we're going to go all the way down and back up. If you can't do regular push-ups, guys, just do knee push-ups. Again, we're going to do at least 15 to 20 reps on those. If you can do 25 reps, that's cool too. After each circuit, guys, we're going to rest for at least 2 minutes. After that, we're going to do the circuit 2 to 3 more times. Again, guys, we got 3 to 4 sets, all right?
Man, hold up, eat out the trail, let's go.
For the second circuit, guys, we're going to go with Bulgarian split lunge. We're going to do at least 10 reps on each side. We're going to do 10 reps on one side, then we're going to switch and do 10 reps on the other side, guys. All right, guys, for the next exercise, we're doing body weight back rolls. High reps, guys, all the way up and back down. We're going to lock out. We're going to do 10 to 15 reps on these, guys. If you can do 20, that's okay too. Guys, for the last exercise in the circuit, we're going to do dips. Again, 10 to 15 reps on these dips. If you can't do dips, guys, let's just go ahead and do diamond push-ups. Guys, for the core finisher, we're going to do 45-second plank. Then we're going to rest, guys, and then we're going to do 45-second shoulder taps. We're going to do 4 sets of these. So we're going to do 2 sets of planks and 2 sets of shoulder taps, guys, 45 seconds each, and that's your workout, guys. Let's go get it.